Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is my first ever truck from Mix 12 of Spin Master Monster Jam, and obviously Mix 12 is the newest case from Spin Master Monster Jam, and so far I only have one truck from the mix, but hopefully soon I will be able to get the rest, and yeah, so here are the trucks on the back. You got the Overcast Earthshaker, Aftershock with the new paint scheme, Reckless Gravedigger, Elemental's Megalodon, the brand new Wonder Woman with the new paint scheme, the all-new truck, which is the Wolf's Head. Can't wait to find that. W, aka Whiplash, with the new look for the roll cage and the rims. And then Freebird with the War Eagle or Bald Eagle paint scheme this time instead of the red, white, and blue. So yeah, so which truck did I get? I got the Ride Trucks Blue Thunder, which is obviously the truck that wasn't shown on the back. I decided to, there were barely any trucks available on West Coast Toy Mafia for Mix 12, so I decided to start out with the Ride Trucks Blue Thunder because it's the chase piece, and honestly, I think Crystal Lake, Illinois will restock shortly with their Spin Master trucks at their Target, so hopefully they'll have Mix 12. If not, I will wait till West Coast Toy Mafia restocks on the rest of Mix 12, and then I'll probably just order from there because of their 10% off deal. But regardless, that's pretty much all. That's pretty much all I can say for now. And if you notice that the card, it says Series 12 in green this time, that's pretty cool. And then you got the little icon under the nameplate. And yeah, enough chit chat. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. Alright, so here is the wristband. It's a lighter blue color. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. All right, and then we'll take a look at the poster next. Oh, that's pretty cool. So on the poster, it shows Megalodon jumping over the fountain. I believe this is World Finals 18, which was the World Finals in 2017, so the second to last year of when the World Finals was in Las Vegas. So that's pretty cool. And then, obviously, at the back, it shows all of Mix 12. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to hang this up at some point. I just need more tape. So, yeah, I'll probably go get some later. But, yeah, now let's take a look at the truck. Here is the Blue Thunder. Obviously, it's the same casting as BKT. Yeah, the Blue Thunder ride truck was a real truck back in 2011. It just had a different paint scheme back then. They used the modern Blue Thunder graphics because they are not allowed to use the Built Ford Tough sponsor. So yeah, so I guess you could say this is a custom concept version of the Ride Trucks Blue Thunder, even though it was real. But yeah, so it's got the BKT printing on it, and then the leafer chassis with the bumper, and then blue rims. Obviously, your typical Blue Thunder paint scheme. The grill printing is nice, and the bumper printing and the headlight printing. There is the roll bar that is protecting the passenger seats. You got the tail lights, and then the awesome ladder then the Monster Jam logo on the back of the chassis. And yeah, obviously, this thing doesn't roll fast, so you kind of got to be careful with this if you plan on using it in your sign-up series or whatever. But yeah, very cool truck. Definitely worth picking up if you ever see it, or if you ever get the chance to order it on West Coast Toy Mafia. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the Ride Trucks unboxing, the Ride Trucks Blue Thunder unboxing, and stay tuned for the next unboxing. All right, guys, peace out.